In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. Merging is a great way to clean up duplicates, consolidate conversations, and keep your workspace organized. Before you start, make sure you have permission to edit tasks in the space you're working in and know which task is your primary one and which is the duplicate you want to merge into it. First, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Give the page a moment to load so you see your spaces and views correctly. If you use multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one to avoid merging tasks across the wrong projects. Next, head into the correct team space. Spaces are the top-level containers that hold your folders, lists, and tasks. So, entering the right space ensures you're looking at the correct set of work. If you're unsure where the task lives, use the search bar to locate it, then navigate to that space from the result. Now, open the task you want to merge. This will be the task that gets folded into another one, so it's typically the duplicate or less complete version. Click into the task to open its detailed view. Take a quick moment to review its title, description, comments, attachments, and assignees. This helps you confirm you're merging the correct source task. In the task window, look for the three-dot menu, usually at the top right corner. This opens the task options menu where you can find additional actions. Click that menu and choose merge. You'll see the merge interface, which is designed to help you combine information without losing context. From here, choose task when prompted so you can merge into another existing task. Use the search field to find the destination task by name or ID and select the one that should remain as the single source of truth. A helpful tip is to pick the task with the most accurate title, established description, and active subtasks as your destination, so your team has the clearest artifact going forward. As you proceed, remember that merging combines details like descriptions, comments, and attachments. Assignees and watchers may be carried over, and the destination task is the one that remains visible after the merge. Because merges are difficult to undo, take a final glance at both task names to ensure you're merging in the right direction. That's it. You've merged your tasks and streamlined your workflow. Use this process whenever you spot duplicates or overlapping work. Keeping one definitive task improves clarity, reduces notifications, and makes reporting more accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.